Good day, friends. Today we are visiting Cypress Village pop-up. This is a beautiful area that has got a very nice view, especially for photography during the evening when the sun is setting. It's about 7 kilometers, say 9 minutes from town center, West Vancouver Town Centre, and it's in the way towards the Cypress Mountain ski resort. The area is wide, and there is a lot of things you can do here. There is a spot for the kids to play in the stand, and there is also mountain biking nearby. You can also come here for picnic. I'll be showing you some parts of the area that you can have a look at the views. There is a restaurant here that you can see here from the outside. I will be showing you the inside as well. They've got delicious pizzas. Usually kids come here and play badminton. This is the area in front of the viewpoint. It's the Burrard Inlet and Georgia Strait. This is the Cypress eagle, that is native art. This area is for washing the bikes, and there's also a place for repairing them. There is a box here that has got lots of toys in it, and kids can take them out of the box and play here with the sand. This is the office advertising for the real estates around here. And this is the entrance to the restaurant. The restaurant is called The Shed. This is the inside. Staff here are very nice. And this is the restaurant from the other side. That's the name, the shed. I'll be going in to order my pizza and drink shortly. Okay, here the pizza is ready. This one is a veggie pizza, and the other one is a mushroom pizza with arugula. You can either, for veggie pizzas, it's either mushroom and arugula or pure veggie, but there are also other pizzas available. Right in front is the viewpoint. And this is the view. As I mentioned, during the evening when the sun is setting, it's you can take spectacular photos of the sunset. That's the Georgia Strait and Broad Inlet, and right in front, in the other side of waters, is the University of British Columbia. Ships are at anchor waiting to go inside for either loading or discharging. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and leave me comments please, and let me know if there are other places you would like to see. But the other side here, you can see the downtown Vancouver. Okay, have a great day, and see you in the next video.